Good morning, children. Let us see one more term, that is sun's altitude. Children, this is a very confusing term. This is sun's altitude. This is not the length. This is an angle. Sun's altitude. What is this? What is its definition? The angle of elevation. What is this? This is the angle of elevation of the sun from the earth is called sun's altitude. Let us reiterate. This is the sun's altitude is the angle of elevation. What is this? This is called the angle of elevation of the sun from the earth is called sun's altitude. At a given place on the earth, the sun's altitude takes different values at different times of the day. Clear? What does it mean? It means that sun's altitude is the angle of elevation of the sun from the earth. Clear? This is called sun's altitude. Clear? As the time grows, clear, the position of the sun what changes, clear, and then what happens, clear, then the angle value of the angle also gets changed, clear. So at a given place on the earth, the sun's altitude takes different values at different times of the day. Okay, children, so this is the very much important term. Now let us move to question number 3. That is question number 3 states that contractor plans to install two slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined. It is inclined means, clear, it is bent means this is the angle. It is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for elder children, that is more than the age of 5 years, she wants to have a steep slide. Steep slide means straight. Steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? Okay, children, let us see the figure. See here, figure is very much important, children. Let us see. Let us draw two figures first. Clear? That is here. Let us make a box over here first. Clear? To separate the things like this. Clear? Here, here. See, for here here you can write down for below 5 years. Below 5 years. Clear? That is for the children that is below 5 years. Below 5 years. Okay, and for elder children. For elder. Clear, children? Let us see. Slide means, clear, that all of you must be knowing. Slide means nothing but fisal patti, that is called. Okay, so here this for below for children below 5 years, clear, there this is the height of, let it be the height of the slide over here. Clear? This is the height of the slide, not the length of the slide. Height of the slide, clear, and see slide is drawn like this. This is 90 degree. Okay, children, this is 90 degree. This is the slide actually. Draw the slide here. This is like this. That's why pictorially we can show it like this. This is the slide. What is this? This is slide. This is 90 degree. This is for children below the age of 5 years. What are the parameters? A contractor plans to install two slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter. This is 1.5 meter. This is the height of the slide, that is 1.5 meter. Okay, children, and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree. This is the angle of 30 degree here. This is 30 degree. Okay, to the ground. Whereas the elder children, here elder children, for the elder children, let us draw a bigger height. Here also, this is for the elder children. This is steep height. Steep height means sharp height, that is clear. Here there is again a slide is there. This is slide. Okay, children, draw the slide. Clear? Here again this is 90 degree. Clear? And what is the, for the elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter. This is 3 meter. This is 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree. This is angle 60 degree. This is okay, children. Now give the name to the angles, to the triangle. That is, let it be A, B, C, and this is D, E, and this is F. Okay, children. Here this is slide. Okay, what is this? This is slide for the elder children. This is the slide for the children below 5 years. Now let us see what is given. What is given over here? In both the cases, clear, we have to find out the length of the slide. Okay, children, right? So what is given? What is given means we have to introduce what is letter. What is given? The let AB equal to, let AB equal to, see, before we go ahead, for let us define the things for below 5 years. You reckon that down. For below 5 years. For below 5 years, what are the parameters given? Clear? That is your AB AC. AB equal to 1.5 meter. B, the height of the slide. Height of the, write down, height of the slide. Clear? And AC be the length of the slide. Clear? And angle ACB equal to 30 degree. Clear? For elder children, for elder what? DE equal to 3 meter. Be the height of the slide. And what? DF and DF be the length of slide. To find what? We have to find out length of slide. Length of slides as slides AC and DF. That is AC equal to question mark and DF equal to question mark. Okay, children, let us find out the things, children. That is, now let us first, we will find out what your this thing for now. In triangle ABC, write down, children. In triangle ABC, what is there? In triangle ABC, what is there? Angle B equal to 90 degree. Clear? Angle B equal to 90 degree. And what this implies that? Here, see, here actually your perpendicular is given, and this is what? This is hypotenuse is asked. So we have to search out the relationship, trigonometric ratio, wherein your perpendicular and hypotenuse are involved. That is perpendicular upon a hypotenuse, that is sine theta. Okay, so sine 30 degree equal to AB upon, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, AB upon AC. Okay, children, this implies that now sine 30 degree equal to 1 upon 2 equal to AB is what? 1.5 upon AC, that is required. Here we have to write down what since sine 30 equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, children, let us move to the next part of the board. Have you noted? That is, what is this here? See, sine 30 equal to 1 upon 2 equal to AB is given to be 1.5 meter and AC is required to be found out. Now by cross multiplication, it is now what AC equal to 1.5 multiply by 2. This implies that AC equal to 15 to the 30 and this is 3 meter. What is this 3 meter? This is AC is what? So AC equal to length of slide for the children for length of slide for the children below 5 years equal to 3 meter, and that is your answer. That is your first answer, children. Okay, now again for the little children, again in triangle DEF, angle E equal to 90 degree. Clear? This implies that, see here again the same thing, sine 60 degree equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is DE upon DF. Okay, that is sine 60 degree equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This implies that sine 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, children, that is equal to DE is given to be 3 meter upon DF is required. Okay, here you can write the situation that sine 60 degree equal to, every time we use the values of trigonometric ratios for a particular angle, where we have to remember it, so that clear we will not have to refer it again and again. It is sine 60 degree equal to, sine 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2. Notice that sine 60 degree equal to cos 30 and sine 30 equal to cos 60. Clear? So this is the method to remember the values. Okay, now by cross multiplication, children, what is root 3 df equal to 3 into 2. This implies that df equal to 6 upon root 3. Okay, children, df equal to 6 upon root 3. Now this 6 upon root 3 can be further, what you can rationalize the denominator, that is 6 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. This is equal to what? This is 6 root 3 upon 3. That is 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6. This implies that df equal to 2 root 3 meter. What is this? df equal to 2 root 3? df is the length of the slide. Length of the slide. This is what? Length of the slide for elder children. Length of the slide for the elder children. Okay, children. So see, both the questions we have seen. This question number 3 we have seen both the parts. Okay, children. So I hope you have noted it down. Now let us move to question number 4. That is, what is question number 4? Let us see, children. Question number 4 is, what is question number 4? See the book. Question number 4 tells that the angle of elevation of the top of a tower, from a point on the ground which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. Let us see. Question number 4. See, children, it states that the angle of elevation of the top of a tower. So let us see question number 4 first. You draw a tower. That is tower. Tower means nothing but minar in Hindi. That is called tower. the angle of elevation of the angle of elevation. What is angle of elevation? When the object is kept above the horizontal level, means we have to raise our head to look at the object. Clear? Then angle of elevation is formed. Okay, children. So see, this is the tower. Clear? And what does it say? Elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground. From a point on the ground, object is kept over here. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower, this is tower's top is this one. Clear? On the ground, tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away. Clear? From here, this is 30 meter away. Notice that the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot. This point is from here, observer is observing the top. Clear? This point of observation, place of observation is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. This is 90 degree. Clear? And this is away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. This is what? This is 30 degree. Children, did you understand? This is 30 degree. Did you understand the situation? Clear? Now this is, now let us give the name. This is A, B and C. Clear? Find the height of the tower. This height of the tower we have to find out. You can assume it as to be H, or let it be AB only. Clear? Let here, let what is given, or either you given, write down, let AB be the height of the tower, height of the tower, and BC equal to 30 meter BC. Okay, and what? And angle ACB equal to what? 30 degree. This is angle of elevation. Angle of elevation means what? Means this observer is observing the top of the tower from here. Clear? In this direction. So at the same time, the two rays emerge from the eye of the observer. That's this thing and this. Okay? Line of sight and horizontal level. Do you understand? So this is angle of elevation. See, observer is observing the top of the tower from here. Means he is raising his head clear up towards the top of the tower. Okay, right? That is why this is called angle of elevation. Right? Make sure, children. Now this is to find out. To find AB, that is height of, find the height of the tower. That is to find height of the tower. Height of the tower equal to AB equal to question mark, that we have to find out. Let us move, children. Now let us move to the next part of the board. That is, let us see. This is now children, here see, this we have to find out, children. Perpendicular we have to find out, base already given. Here base is given, perpendicular we have to find out. So what is the shortest way to find out? If we take tan theta, then tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base, then it will be found out. Okay, so in triangle, now in triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree. See the figure, children. That is tan 30 equal to AB upon BC. That is tan 30 equal to AB upon that is perpendicular upon base, AB upon BC. The tan 30 equal to 1 upon root 3 equal to AB, that has to be found out. AB upon BC is given to be 30. So here you can write down, since tan 30 equal to 1 upon, tan 30 equal to 1 upon root 3, that is and 30 equal to 1 upon root 3. Children, okay, by cross multiplication, this implies that root 3 AB equal to, that is your 30 degree. Root 3 BC is given to be 30. So root 3 AB equal to 30. This implies that AB equal to 30 upon root 3. You can rationalize the denominator, that is 30 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3, that is equal to 30 root 3 upon 3. Okay children, because root 3 into root 3 equal to 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 10 ja 30, that is, this implies that AB equal to, AB is what? AB is the length, height of the tower. AB equal to height of the tower. Height of the tower equal to what? Equal to, children, this is 10 root 3. Equal to 10 root 3 meter. And this is what we have to find out. 10 root 3 meter. Okay children, so this is how clear we can find out the what we can find out the your height of the tower. Okay children, note it down fast. Note down children. Now let us move to that is question number 5. Question number 3 is over, question number 4 is over, and let us move to question number 5. What is question number 5? That is, okay, let us see children question number 5. This is a good question. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter. Okay children, see, a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. Clear? The string means thread. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slack. Assuming that there is no slack, when there is no knot or gaunt, that is, there is no slack in the string. Okay children, let us see the question. Draw the this figure. For the figure is very much important question, children. Question number 5. A kite is flying at a height. Clear? See, this is ground level. Okay children, this is ground level, and the kite is, see, figure is very much important. This is ground. Clear? A kite is flying at a height of, height means whenever height word is used, that is called perpendicular height. Okay, this is ground. A kite, let the position of the kite be A. Clear? This is kite is flying at a height of 60 meter. 60 meter height from the ground. Clear? Above the ground, the string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. Clear? The string, clear? The string that is tied with this, clear? The string is like this, means string means the thread of the kite. This is okay, and this is making the string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground, this is ground. What is this? This is ground. Declare, this is the point, let it be C, let it be B, and so this is what is, this is string, string. This is ground. What is this? And this is inclination, means this is, what is this? This is line of sight, and this is horizontal level. Clear? And inclination is given to be 60 degree. Okay children, the inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string. Find the length of the string that we have to find out. This means hypotenuse we have to find out. Okay children. Okay, now let us solve the question and introduce each and everything what we have used. What is given? Given children, let A be, let A be the position, position of the kite. Clear? And AB equal to 60 meter. B be the height with the height of the kite from the ground, height of the kite from the ground, AC be the length of string and AC be the length of the string. Okay children, also angle ACB equal to 60 degree. Here this is this one. To find out what we have to find out, length of string. String AC, this is the length of string AC equal to this one. Okay children, now to just very simple question, that is in triangle. Now in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, what angle B equal to 90 degree. Okay children, this implies that, see here perpendicular is given, look at here, perpendicular is given, clear, and this hypotenuse is asked and angle is given, it means sine theta is sufficient to find out. Okay, use that is, this implies that sine 60 degree, sine 60 degree equal to what? Equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is what? 60 upon that AB upon AC. Okay children, is there any doubt? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is, now this implies that sine 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2. Sine 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2 equal to AB is given to be 60 meter and AC has to be found out. Here you can write down, always in examination you have to write down sine 60 degree equal to, sine 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2. Okay children, now by cross multiplication you can write down what? That is root 3 AC, root 3 AC equal to 2 into root 3 AC equal to 2 into 60. Okay children, now this what is the now let us move to the next part of the board, that is this one. Let us see, that is now root 3 AC children, root 3 AC equal to 2 into 6, that is AC equal to 120, AC equal to 120, 62 is 120 upon root 3. That can be a rationalized denominator. This implies that 120 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. This implies that AC equal to 120 root 3 upon 3. Clear? Root 3 into root 3. Now this is now 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12 and 3 0 is 0. This implies that AC equal to what? AC equal to length of the string. AC equal to length of string equal to 40 root 3 meter. It is meter, I think. Okay, this is 60, 40 root 3 meter, and that is the answer. Okay children, so this is your this question is completed. Clear children? Now this question number 3, 4 and 5 we have seen, and your video is up to, it is more than 29 minutes. Okay, so children, this now children, so the next questions, clear, we will take up question number your 6, 7 and clear. For the next 3 questions we will take up in the next video. Clear children, I tell you these questions are very much important. Be very serious. Clear, don't we lose this and see, work rigorously children. Clear, thank you and have a nice day.